Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I updated my countertop for around $10. Yes. And I was originally going to paint it, but I chickened out. But this is a temporary fix. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So this is my existing countertop that I've had for over 10 years. Is nice and bland, so I wanted to update it for a couple of reasons I'll tell you later in the video. But right now I just want to show you the existing countertop, and of course you know Mrs Vee gonna use some contact paper. So this is the design I chose, and the reason why I chose this is because it matches the rolling cart that I use for additional space in my kitchen that I picked up from Aldi's. I have a full review on that countertop, and I'll link that video in the description box. And I'll also link a picture showing you how close this contact paper is to the marble. To the granite. So this contact paper comes with measurements, which is helpful when cutting it out. So I've already cut it down to size. Of course, you clean your countertop real good, get any debris off of it, and then you just stick the contact paper down. If you watch my channel, you seen me do this in several areas of my house. I've done it in my bathrooms, both of my bathrooms, and even the bathroom floor. And if you're new to my channel, I'll link that video in the description box also. So as you can see, I leave about a ½ inch of paper at the top, and I'm gonna go back and cut that down to size so it can have a clean finish. So it took me about 3 times to get this paper free of bubbles, and I think it was because I was filming, because I didn't have any trouble with the other parts of my countertop. So you know how it is when you're trying to show someone how to do something, it never turns out right. I always feel like somebody's watching me. So this take number 1, I'm gonna pull it up. Let's try it again, because if you're like me, you have more time than you do money. So I had time to actually try to get this right. When I do my DIYs and my home projects, I like for it to look as professional as possible. So I'm kind of a perfectionist when I come to do-it-yourself projects. So you're gonna see me take it up 2 more times before I actually get it right. See those bubbles in there? Can't have those bubbles, because even though it's contact paper, I still want you to be able to come in my kitchen and just think that this is a regular countertop. I don't want you to know that it's paper, even though I'm showing you on this video how I'm doing it, but I'm just saying that is my intention. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Mrs Vee. I focus on projects like this, ways to help you save money. Of course, we have the money, but well, I can't speak for everyone else. I have the money to get new countertops or either paint it, but guess what? I choose to save that money to maybe help someone. So for right now, I rather do these budget-friendly projects to update my home, because number 1, I'm not sure if I'm going to stay in my home forever, so I don't want to make any permanent changes. And number 2, I prefer to use my money right now to help others. So that's why I'm focused on saving money. Okay, this second time I've taken it up. Let's see if we can get it this 3rd time. So as I was saying, if you're new to my channel and you like budget-friendly content, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. If you know someone who may benefit from this video, go ahead and share it out. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, so that YouTube will know that you enjoy this type of content, so my videos will be recommended for in other creators' feed. I really appreciate it. So as I said, this is the third time, and I finally got it free of bubbles. So I'm going to finish applying this contact paper, and I will be back. I finally have the contact paper down, and as you can see, I'm sliding the spatula across the contact paper to remove the bubbles. I'm going in a horizontal direction. So I'm feeling for any bubbles, and I feel a few, so I'm going to slide with my finger. Now with the spatula, this little tool that I got with my Cricut machine really is coming in handy. You can use a credit card, just something that's will be kind of gentle on the paper, because you don't want to damage the paper. So what I'm doing right here is getting ready to make an even seam at the bottom of the countertop. And now I'm gonna remove that 1/2 inch of contact paper that's at the top of my countertop. So I'm just gonna slide the scalpel above the little tool. I don't know what it's called, spatula, the little plastic spatula, to give it a clean cut. And that's it. I got a little piece that's stubborn on the end. Finish. So now I have to cut along the around the sink part. Scalpel and just cut along the sink area, and we have a nice clean finish. Now I have these areas to cover, and I'm kind of low on paper, but if you know Miss V, you know I'm gonna make it work. So I got all these remnants from covering my countertop, and I'm gonna make it work. I prefer to do this opposed to buying another roll of paper. Stay tuned. You can see I made it work. When you're trying to save money, you have to be very creative. So I had enough contact paper and even had a little bit left over to go ahead and finish, because I did not want to spend $10 on another roll of contact paper. So this is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need. so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.